Hi everyone, welcome to this Trade Like a Stock Market Wizard tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you how you can really trade like a stock market wizard even better. This strategy is very easy but high win rate confirm, so never miss this one. I love this strategy because it provides very accurate signal. This trade like a stock market wizard strategy I created with two indicator and two time frame combination. And also I just describe the important thing and make it very easy for you. So hope you will be understood easily. So guys, watch this strategy very carefully step by step. This strategy work very well with most of the platform, and really you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's get started. So first I select TRX USDT and 30-minute time frame, and from here I trade with cryptocurrency group and my asset is TRX USDT and my trading platform is Binance. And also you have to must select your platform asset from the TradingView asset library because it's very important. So now I have to add two indicators, so I simply go TradingView indicator, and from here the first indicator is moving average exponential EMA. So I simply write here EMA. On side right here EMA, you can see moving average exponential indicator. So I simply click to add on my chart. Okay, we have successfully add our moving average exponential indicator. So now I have to add second indicator, Heikin-Ashi candlestick oscillator. The short title is HACOLT. So I simply write here HACOLT HACOLT, and on side right here HACOLT you can see one indicator, Heikin-Ashi long-term candlestick oscillator by Lazy Bear. So I simply click to add on my chart. Okay, we have successfully add our two indicators. So now I have to setting the two indicator for catch pure signal. So first I go with EMA. So I need 200 EMA. So I simply go import, and from here length I just change to 9 to 200. Okay, and looks more attractive, I just want to change the EMA color and thickness. So I simply go style, and from here the EMA color I just make it yellow and also make it more bolder. Alright, we have successfully customized our first indicator. So now I have to change some style for HACOLT indicator as well. So I simply go the HACOLT indicator setting, and from here every input value will be default, and simply go with style. For looks more attractive, I just want to increase the color opacity and also for red color. Okay, well done, we have successfully setting our two indicator. So now it's ready to catch signal. Okay, before catch signal, let's introduce with the indicator momentum because it's very important. So first go with 200 EMA. If the price crossing up the EMA, that means it's going to happen a possible uptrend. And if the price crossing down the EMA, that means the trend is direction change and it's going to happen a possible downtrend. So now let's introduce with the second indicator, HACOLT momentum. So HACOLT indicator is easy to understand and also it's worked very well. And you can see the HACOLT indicator has two color bar, red color bar and green color bar. The green color indicate bullish market and the red color indicate the bearish market. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal with two indicator and two time frame combination. For buy signal, first you have to make sure the time frame is 30 minutes. Then if the price crossing up the 200 EMA and the same time HACOLT bar color is green, that means it's going to happen a strong uptrend and it's our buy signal. So suddenly we just change our time frame to 5 minutes. And we take long position here, and our stop loss will be last swing low. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up, and let's see what's happened. And you can see the price is trying to go up. Okay, if I calculate you can see 2.84% profit from only one trade with zero leverage. If I calculate with 20x leverage, that means 56.8% profit from only one trade. So it's very profitable. So now let's see how you can generate sell signal. So for sell signal, I again come back with 30-minute time frame. For sell signal, if the price crossing down the 200 EMA and the same time heckled color bars to red, that means it's going to happen a strong downtrend and it's our sell signal. So suddenly we just change our time frame to 5 minutes. And we take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high. And if I see, you can see after few the price is trying to go down. If I measurement with this scale and let's see, and you can see 3.73% profit with zero leverage. So if I calculate with 20x leverage, that means 74.6% profit from only one trade. So it's very profitable. Okay, for better understanding, let's go with live chart example and profit and stop loss strategy. So I again come back with 30-minute time frame. In this chart, the price is crossing up the 200 EMA and also the hackle color is green. That means it's our buy signal. So suddenly we just change our time frame 30 minutes to 5 minutes. And we take long position here and our stop loss will be last swing low. And our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss and second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is trying to go up and successfully hit our profit target 1 and hit our profit target 2 and it's count as a successful trade. So now let's go with another example. So I again come back with 30-minute time frame. So in this chart, the price is successfully crossing up the 200 EMA and also the hackle color is green. That means it's our buy signal. So suddenly we just change our time frame to 5 minutes and we take long position here and our stop loss will be last swing low and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1 and finally hit our profit target 2 and it's count as another successful trade. So now let's go with another example. So I again come back with 30-minute time frame. So in this chart you can see the price is successfully crossing down the 200 EMA and also the hackle color is red. That means it's our sell signal. So I just again come back with 5-minute time frame. Now we take short position here and our stop loss will be last swing high and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss. And if I see after few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1 and profit target 2 and it's count as another successful trade. So if you have risk management knowledge, you can increase our profit target. And remember, all the time the price will be hit our profit target 2, it's not guarantee. Sometimes just hit our profit target 1, even stop loss, but hitting stop loss is very few because all the strategy I tested before. So if you really love this content, you can give a like on my video, and as always, thanks for watching. See you with you next one.